Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Designs. On this tutorials I'm going to teach you how to make these beautiful scrunchies. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button after watching, comment in the comment section, and then subscribe as well. Okay, let's get started. So these are the materials I'll be needing for my scrunchies: my African fabric, my scissors, tailor's chalk, and then tape measure. Okay, so we are about to measure the length of our scrunchies 30 inches, and then the wide 6 inches. So wide of 6 inches, and then the length 30 inches. Okay, so we'll cut out. Okay, so after cutting out, this is what you'll be having. Okay, so this is what I'll be having after cutting out. We will then go ahead and fold it this way, making sure the right side faces each other like this. So we will then leave like 2 inches, then we'll stitch half an inch from the 2 inches left here. We stitch half an inch all along to this end. We wouldn't end here, but we also leave another 2 inches here, then we end at where the 2 inches ends. After stitching along, the next thing we will do is to turn to the right side. Okay, so this is what you'll be having after turning to the right side. The next thing we will do is to fold it into two like this, then we stitch. We will then open it. You see the 2 inches interval we left, we will then open it and then stitch the 2 pieces together like this. Please hope you understand. So you're going to stitch half an inch together this way. After stitching half an inch, joining the 2 pieces together like this, we will then fold it in this way. Then we get our round band like this. Okay, so the next thing to do is to insert our elastic band with the help of a safety pin through the space we left like this. Okay, so we will then pull it to the preferred interval, whether loose or tight. Okay, so this is okay for me. I'll then secure with the same safety pin together. I mean the two elastic bands together this way so that it doesn't remove. Okay, what I'll do next is to go ahead and then secure the two elastic bands together with my sewing machine. So I'm done securing the two elastic bands together this way. You see, it's very secured. I'll then go ahead and then fold the space left inwards this way and then stitch on it. I mean top stitch on it. Afterwards our scrunchies is ready. It's just so simple and then very easy to make. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you're done watching the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and then comment as well.